In many neighborhoods, repair cafes turn broken goods into stories of renewal, cutting waste, and building community. At a recent city meetup, volunteers fixed a toaster, mended a bicycle, and rewove a torn jacket, showing practical reuse in action. Experts explained how small fixes save money and extend product lifespans, transforming mindsets from disposal to maintenance. Viewers are invited to share their own repair wins and nominate items that deserve a second life. The episode closes with a challenge: repair one item this week and post before and after to spark more sustainable wins.